Let's continue with the second part of our lesson 22 with practice problem number 88. A person invests 10,000 in business. Each year, his profit is 120% of the profit earned the previous year. If the first year's profit is 2,000, what will be his total profit after 5 years? So we're given A1 2,000, R is 1.2, N is equal to 5. Required total profit after 5 years, S5. So solution, R is greater than 1. So use the formula Sn is equals to A1 R raised to N minus 1 over 1 minus R. R minus 1. Substitute now the given data. Your answer is 14,883 and 20 centavos. Number 9. MCQ for lesson 22. How to find the sum of arithmetic and geometric series. Number 1, the sum of the first 20 positive integers is A, 190 pesos. I know 120. Number B, letter B, 200. Letter C, 210. Letter D, 220. In an arithmetic series, the first term is 5 and the common difference is 5. What is the sum of the first 15 terms? A, 330. B, 345. C, 360. D, 375. Number 3. The sum of the first 10 even numbers is A, 100. B, 110. C, 120. D, 130. Number 4. The arithmetic series has a first term of 12, a last term of 60, and 25 terms. What is the sum of the series? A, 850. B, 900. C, 900. D, 1,800. Number 5. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a1 plus n minus 1 times the d, then the sum of the first 25 terms of the series a is equals to 4a and d is equals to 2d is 2, is A is 4, is A 625, B 650, C 675, D 700. Number 6. Find the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric series 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus ellipses. Letter A, 62. B, 64. C, 66. D, 68. Number 7. If the first term of the geometric series is 5 and the common ratio is 3, what is the sum of the first 5 terms? A, 365. B, 370. C, 375. D, 380. Number 8. The sum of the infinite geometric series 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 8 plus ellipses A 1, B 2, C 3 over 2, D 5 over 4. Number 9. A geometric series has first term 9, common ratio 1/3, and 6 terms. Find its sum. A, 13.07, B, 13.10, C, 13.5, D, 13.20. Number 10. If the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series is given by Sn is equals to A1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r, then the sum of the first 8 terms of a series where A is equals to 3 and R is equal to 2 is A, 765, B, 767, C, 769, D, 771. Answer key for lesson 22. Please proceed to lesson 23. And then the answer key for lesson 21, expressing and expanding series in sigma notation, is as follows. That's for numbers 1 to 5. And then for numbers 6 to 10. And that's it for today's lessons here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.